Today we're going to learn how to balance a chemical equation. Remember, balancing chemical equations ensures the law of conservation of mass is upheld. All atoms present in the reactants must also be present in the products. Let's work through the equation. CO2 plus H2O yields C6H12O6 plus O2 plus H2O. Our initial equation is CO2 plus H2O yields C6H12O6 plus O2 plus H2O. To balance this equation, we need to count the number of each type of atom on both sides. Let's start with carbon. We have 1 carbon in carbon dioxide on the reactant side and 6 carbons in glucose on the product side. To balance, we need to place a coefficient of 6 in front of carbon dioxide. Now, our equation reads 6 carbon dioxide plus water yields C6H12O6 plus O2 plus H2O. Next is hydrogen. We have 2 hydrogens from water in the reactants and 12 hydrogens in glucose on the product side. To balance, we need 6 water molecules in the reactants. Updating our equation, it becomes 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water molecules yields C6H12O6 plus O2 plus H2O. Finally, oxygen. We have 12 oxygens from CO2 and 6 from water in the reactants. In the products, it's 6 in C6H12O6 and 2 each in O2 and H2O. To balance, we end up with just O2 by itself for extra oxygens, with nothing new added to H2O as it's included. This means there's no need for O2. So, our balanced equation is 6 molecules of CO2 plus 6 molecules of water yields 1 molecule of glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen. Checking, we have 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 18 oxygens on both sides, meaning the equation is balanced. When balancing equations, always remember to adjust only the coefficients and never change the subscripts of molecules. By doing so, we maintain the law of conservation of mass and ensure the equation correctly represents the chemical reaction.